Hi guys, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be kind of unboxing with you, even though I took it out of the box, all of the stuff that Rongrong sent to me. It's all her new products for Black Friday sales. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, keep watching. So as you probably know, I'm an affiliate for Rongrong, and she sent me a big box of goodies. These are all her new products that are launching today, I believe. I will try to put the information in the description box for you. She's having an early Black Friday sale. There's also going to be a Black Friday sale and a Cyber Monday sale. So check out her website for all that good stuff. My affiliate link will be in the description box, and also if you use code Bumble10, you can get 10% off your purchase. So let's check out and see exactly what she sent me, and I'll flip through it with you guys. So let's look at these washi tapes first. She sent me 2 washi tapes. Ooh, look at this. It's real, if you're in if you like dark, moody kind of florals, this is really cute. There's some gold foil on it. Look at that, that is so pretty. And then this one is makeup. Let's see what's here. There's also gold foil on this. Very fancy. Look at all sorts of makeup. There's little blush brushes, little mascaras, all that kind of stuff. Very girly and cute. Okay, so let's see what else we have here. I'll save the stickers for last because I know you guys like to see them the most. And of course, being a YouTuber, I'm gonna save the best for last. Sorry, that's just what I do. So we'll put these aside for a second. Okay, let's check out these sticky notes. So this is the Boss Babe sticky note pack. And it comes in a little, folder here, and they're attached. And we have some sticky notes in these kind of neutral colors, like browns and taupe and beige, all sorts of colors like that. I think they're really cute, and they say things like important, write it down, to do, dream big. Sticky notes are always good to have around, especially when you're pre-planning for months ahead. You can just jot it down and put it on the monthly, and it really helps you out. You can also use these for basically decorating your spread. I do that sometimes as well. And we have habit trackers here. We have a place for 4 habits here, and Monday through Sunday. And then we have mood, these cute little emojis. You can select your mood. And then we have a water tracker for hydration purposes. So there's lots here, and it comes in this little cute pack. So there we go. That's the first thing. Now we have a wall calendar. It's a pretty small wall calendar, as you can see from my hand, but it's actually a kind of a nice size. It doesn't take up that much room. This is what your monthly looks like here. And I think that they're just gonna change, colors of the fonts. It's just the colors that change up here. So I'm just gonna show you the pictures. Passion plus consistency equals success. Love for Valentine's Day. We have that St. Patrick's Day girl with her lucky shirt on. Spring Bloom. Ooh, she's really pretty. Très chic. Here comes the sun. Got some sunflowers, that's really cute. Here's September. October, we're bringing in some autumn colors here. And these cute little Thanksgiving illustrations for November. And then we have all the Jingle Ladies for December. And then on the back, you have a 2023 calendar. There's a space for notes here for any month of the year. So if you want to jot down major events or birthdays or whatever you want, we have it right here, which is a nice little benefit. And that's it. That is the wall calendar. So this product is really cool. This is a sticker album, and it's basically a sticker organizer. So you know all those pesky stickers that you take off and you don't know what to do with because you basically, they're just loose, right? So if you look in here, that's so cute, a little Paris pattern there. We have this like slick paper. So it's gonna be, actually, it only looks like it's slick on this side though. I wonder, I don't know about this side, but this side is definitely slick. So you can put stickers on it and then take them off. So let me just show you. I'll use one sticker from this sticker pack. So if we put this down, okay, so any kind of loose stickers you have, or if you're like planning a spread and you want to put them all out, you know, all the ones you're going to use, you can do that instead of using wax paper. It's kind of like a wax paper situation, just not wax paper. So you can just pull it back off. So I really like that. And you can store a whole bunch of stickers in here. Like, look at all the pages. And then in the back, we have these sticker storage like sleeves, which is nice because some of the Rongrong stickers are loose like these. So you can just fit them right inside here, which is great. So you can put like a whole, let me just get the rest of this pack here. So here's like the whole holiday cheer sticker pack, and you can just like put the whole thing in here, or you can put like separate sheets. And that way all of like your extra stickers, especially your extra Rongrong stickers, if you want to use it for that, which I do, are going to be right here for you. So it's just an easy way to store them. And that's similar to what I do with my loose stickers. I put them in like my sticker pages from Etsy and stuff. I put them in binders with sleeves. Next up, we have this really cute, it's like a planner cover, like a, not a cover, but like a folio, a little planner sleeve. And you can tuck your planner in right there. I will show you mine, see if it fits. I think it's probably meant to fit the Rongrong planner, but honestly, I'm sure it's gonna fit the classic, but let's just try it out and see. Yep, so just tuck it in there. Zip it up and you are ready to go. That way your planner doesn't get damaged. And if you're like me, you might have like papers that are sort of like sticking out at all times and not always in there like this. So you're able to like keep it all secure. Okay, so now let's take a look at the stickers. So let's take a look first at this holiday cheer sticker pack. So of course we're gonna have Rongrong's cute little girl illustrations, right? And they're doing Christmassy things. I kind of like that there's purple thrown in there for some fun, you know, different kinds of stickers here. We've got some functional stickers here and some like habit trackers and to-do lists, more decorative boxes, some circle stickers. And those are all on paper, and this is on clear, so you can basically, and they're real easy to pull off. And then like the other seasonal sticker packs, they have like this cute polka dot background, and you can actually use those, and they're kind of sort of color coordinated with stickers on here. So you can use those however you want. I would probably make washi strips, you know, or you can cut out individual circles, whatever you want. I like using everything I get, you know, if I can. So we have more wintry girls here. These are out of order, by the way, because I was just showing you that thing and they all kind of fell all over the place. This would be going in the front. And then look, we have a girl who's baking and one dressed like a Christmas tree. So cute. And we've got different, you know, colors and different sizes of girls, so really inclusive. And then we have these really pretty illustrations, like little holiday icon stickers. They're so cute. I love her little candles. And that's so pretty. Look at that. I love those. We have sweaters, of course, little coffees and snow globes. And look, even a cactus if you're like, somebody's living out like in, I don't know, Arizona or something, you can put your lights on a cactus. Okay, some more girls and little quotes. And then that's it. So that's a pretty big sticker pack. It's bigger than the ones that were those seasonal ones recently. So really cute. All right, now let's look at the sticker books. So we have two sticker books here. so let's look at this one first. This one's smaller, you can see. This one's called Rongrong Girls Sticker Book, over 175 hand-drawn stickers. So it looks like this is like seasonal maybe, but it's in one book. Do you know what I mean? So let's see. So we have, maybe not seasonal. I guess, well, no, it is. There's pumpkins. Okay, so looks like we have summer and then fall. There's, I guess, kind of spring. I don't know. I guess this is winter. They're sort of seasonal, but sort of not. But you've got a whole bunch of different girls in different, you know, seasonal garb, and some that are, you know, I keep saying, you know, sorry. Some that are like, that have casual clothes on, some that have work clothes on, some are fancy. You know, they're all just very different, and I'm sure you can find somebody who either looks like you or fits your style, right? That's what's so good about these. I think what this sticker book is, I've seen some of these stickers before, but I don't know that I've seen all of them. But I think it's like a combination of all sorts of different kinds of stickers, and like gives you a variety of stuff. Okay, those were on clear here. Let me see, were all those were on clear, I think, and then we're getting into the paper stickers in the back here. Take me to Santorini. Me too, please. Okay, so it is kind of seasonal. I mean, it's all kind of mixed up, but this one's fall and winter. We've got some, you know, Christmassy stickers here, and then some self-care stickers. So it's a variety pack, sort of, right? Which I like. Do what you think you cannot do. Sisterhood is powerful. So if you don't know, Rongrong DeVoe is she makes these pretty girl stickers, but she's also really supportive of female empowerment and, you know, just good messages overall. So that's that. And now we're gonna go into the Heels and Hustle sticker book, which is obviously gonna be like a work theme, I guess. So since, you know, they're hustling. I don't wear heels to work, you guys, but some of you might. Okay, so this book is gonna be black and gold pretty much throughout. This is paper. On the first page, we have some flags and then some like just little header quotes. Let's do this, coffee break, getting it done, staying focused, reminder, thankful, together, all that kind of stuff. So lots of different words there. And then second page, we have these little now and later flags, and then some headers, noted, to do, important, don't forget. These are all on paper. Bill paying stickers here, and appointment stickers. Some water trackers, meditate, workout, exercise stickers. These are like kind of wellness ones right here. Okay, so there is some gray in this book. It's not all gold. I like these little polka dots. They're the same as like the background, except they're a different color. And we have Monday through Sunday stickers here. You can put whatever you want on those. Little to-do lists, 2 pages of that. And calls to make, cleaning schedule, this week's meals. And then these ones have little icons like shopping, travel, coffee, money, phone calls, that kind of thing. We got 2 pages of those. Ooh, and look, gold boxes. They're not gold metallic, they're not like gold foil, they're actually like gold colored. I kind of like that. And they're gonna coordinate with the stickers in this book. And then we have some black boxes, always needed in my opinion. Some bigger ones here. And then these are even bigger, but they have, some of them have the girls on them. Same with the black. And then even bigger. So there's a lot of box stickers in here, which I appreciate, Rongrong, thank you for that. We're on clear paper here with this week, to do, today, just real functional page here. Another functional page with just some words, lunch date, appointment, reminder, shopping, gym. These girls are on clear paper, and it's just a bunch of work girls. They're doing their thing. They're hustling. This is cute. Look at that little pillow. Rise and grind, and the little eye mask. Slay them with success. Courage above fear. All you have is now. their cute little bags. And those polka dot heels are so adorable. I love those. And we've got some gold sparkly heels there. Okay, so that is that sticker book, the Heels and Hustle. So, let me know which was your favorite product out of these products. And what do you think about this new release? Again, I will put all the information that I have in the description box below, but you can always also go to Rongrong's website, or you can go to her Instagram, and there's always more information on there as well. That's about it for me today. I hope you have a good one, and I will talk to you soon. See ya.